Sensor Studio is ready to respond and deliver quick Middle East war updates. The US Navy's newest carrier, Gerald R. Ford, crossed the Strait of Gibraltar into the Atlantic on May 6th. It appears that the carrier has completely withdrawn from the Middle East operational area. This move is being interpreted as the United States wrapping up its high-intensity carrier operations in the Middle East and looking to reorganize its forces. In particular, the Ford has been deployed for a remarkable 315 days, setting the record for the longest operational deployment of a US Navy aircraft carrier since the end of the Cold War. Cases of longer deployments go back as far as the Vietnam War. This shows just how significant the operational burden on the current US Navy has been. The Ford was initially set for deterrence missions in Europe and the Middle East, but plans changed quickly as the Venezuela crisis escalated. The US increased its naval forces significantly to support the operation against President Nicolas Maduro, and in this process, the Ford also moved to the waters under the jurisdiction of the US Southern Command. Afterwards, when tensions in the Middle East flared up again, the US deployed the Ford to the Middle East once more. During preparations for Operation Epic Fury against Iran, it was a key force and symbol of US strategic deterrence. The Ford is scheduled to return to the Norfolk Naval Base in Virginia at the end of this month after completing its second long-term deployment. After its return, large-scale maintenance work is expected to begin. This includes repair work for the damage caused by the recent fire in the ship's laundry room. At the time of the fire, hundreds of sailors had to evacuate urgently. From the perspective of the US Navy, since the newest aircraft carrier has been operated for an unusually long time, analysts say that significant fatigue may have accumulated in the hull and various equipment. Currently, there are 2 US aircraft carrier strike groups in the Middle East. With the Ford leaving, there's a lot of attention on how the US will fill the gap. If there are more updates, I'll make and upload a video. That concludes the video. Thank you.
Ja.